Hi, I'm Mark, this is Mark's Tech Vlogs, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Nuki lock on a twist kind of thumb turn door. Now this is a sort of cylinder that you might have if you just twist something on the inside to open it. And the advantage of having this type of cylinder is that when you install the Nuki, you don't need to replace this type of cylinder. This type of cylinder is also quite affordable and costs between sort of £10 and £20 for a kind of basic one, which means actually you can quite easily use this as one to upgrade your existing cylinder rather than spending £75 on a full Nuki one. Now you will need an extra accessory, and this is a special adapter to go where the thumb turn is, and Nuki actually do these for free on their website, so we'll put a link below where you can order those. Before you buy a cylinder, or perhaps see if yours is currently compatible, I would check out the list of manufacturers on the Nuki website, because not all manufacturers have adapters. So the one I picked up was Yale because I knew that did have an adapter with it. And of course, things from Nuki do take between 3 to 5 days to arrive with you. But if you do want it urgent, you can get the Yale ones for £2 kind of delivered next day on Prime on Amazon. And I'll link that below as well. So let's get stuck in and I'll show you how to install the Nuki Smart Lock on a thumb turn cylinder. And this will apply whether you've got the Nuki 3 or 4. So the first thing you're going to want to do is on your existing thumb turn cylinder lock is locate the little hole that's typically somewhere behind the thumb turn. You then want to use the Allen key that came with your Nuki Smart Lock and remove that screw that's in there. These can be quite stiff to start with, so you might give it an extra push when you first start turning it. Once you've turned it enough, that thumb turn should remove. Next, I recommend checking that the Nuki adapter you've got does actually fit over your existing thumb turn. And then you're going to want to remove the screw from your old thumb turn because you're going to need to use that again. Once that's removed, you're going to want to put that into your new Nuki adapter and then put the Nuki adapter back over the lock, aligning up the holes and screwing it in tight so a Nuki adapter is securely attached to your lock. The next step is going to be to work out which of the Nuki adapters you need. And this will depend on how much your cylinder is sticking out from your door handle. For me, I needed the stick-on one, and so I used that rather than the one we have to push the screws in. Once you've stuck that on or placed it on and tightened the screws, again with that Allen key, you're going to want to make sure it's secure and doesn't move at all. The next step then is to put the Nuki lock on, and this just clicks in place once it's done. Then finally add in your batteries and the front of the Nuki lock will light up. It's then time to open up the Nuki app and click Add New Lock and follow the whole process for setting it up and calibrating it. I'm not going to go through this in this video because the Nuki app does all that for you. So there you go, a pretty simple process. If you've got any questions, do stick them below and I'll answer those for you guys. I've put links to a page on the Nuki website where you can order those free adapters. I've also put a link below to the Amazon listing for the Yale one that you see in my video, which is a pink one, along with the cylinder that I have used as well. Of course, cylinders differ depending on the measurements of your door, and so the best thing to do is measure your existing cylinder and get a kind of like for like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again soon.